welcome back to my channel. We have another one from Wiha. See that? So let me get the camera turned around and show you what they sent. Alright, as you can see, they sent the 10-piece insulated screwdriver set. It says it's 1,000 volt rated. Here's the sizes, or the different screwdrivers it came with in the set. In case you guys want to see that, see. Flat, Phillips, and square, or slotted they call it. And they also sent the 10-piece heavy-duty, extra heavy-duty screwdriver set. And here's what they came with, or this set came with. In case you guys want to see that. Now, as far as the part number, I don't know if they have part numbers on them. Anyway, let's get these opened up and show you what they look like. Okay. As you can see, they come in these foam trays. I'll turn the camera around and show you the close-up of this a little bit better. But yeah, they come in these foam trays. Let me show you the other one. This one's kind of heavy because these are striking cap. I mean, it's not heavy, but you know what I mean. Anyway, same type of foam tray. These are awesome. Now I have to say, I think these Wiha products, especially these and the other ones that I've shown, the quality of them is probably second to none. Just as good, if not better, than Snap-on. I know, can't believe I'm saying that, but I think so. It's good stuff. Let me pick up, this is the number 3 Phillips. I don't know how good that's going to focus on it there. I'll get it turned the right way in a minute. There you go. I mean, these things feel great. I mean, like I said, I'll turn you around here in a minute and show you more about it, or closer up anyway. Sorry about that, my stupid phone decided to go off. Anyway, let me get one of the, that was a number 3, so I get a number 3 regular Phillips. I mean, look at that. It's got the thing on it, just like the Snap-ons. This is a striking cap. It's awesome. They're freaking heavy too. Very good quality. I'm impressed. Like I said, just as good, if not better, than Snap-on. Made in Germany. Yeah, these are awesome. I'll let me get the camera off of there and show you what it is a little closer up. But I didn't buy these. They sent them to me to do a review on, and I like them. And in fact, they're probably going to replace in my drawer, since I don't have enough room, my Snap-on ones. Don't know what I'm going to do with my Snap-on ones, but these are awesome. So let me get the camera off of the tripod and show you close up what they look like. Yeah, here they are closer up. I said I would show you a little closer up view of them. They're clearly marked in the foam tray what size is what. In case you're wondering, I mean, these trays are awesome. Let's get the number 3 out. Tells you on the end of the handle. And look at that though. Very good quality. Sharp filling. And I have used this one. Not very much, but I have used it. And it's awesome too. Look at the tip on that thing. This is the number 3 regular. Obviously it's not going to be marked on the end because it's a striking cap. I don't know if you can read that right there. Let me see. Turn it up like that. Made in Germany. Maybe you can read that. I don't know. But I mean, it's kind of hard to convey how these things feel in the hand, and you know, unless you're holding them. But these things are awesome. Thank you very much, Wiha. And the person, my contact person with them is a great person. I don't know if I should say the person's name or not, but and I won't until I find out. But yes, they actually get back with you when you email them, and they stay in contact like they should, like, you know, like it's a respectable company. These things are awesome. Everybody should try these. Now, I don't have a any kind of discount code or anything like that, but they are well worth the money, very much so. I'm not sure about the price of them. I haven't looked it up, but I don't think I am, because every time I do, somebody gets mad and says, "Oh, it's cheaper over here," or "It's cheaper over there." So I'll let you guys look up the price for yourself, because the price could be a little different depending on what state you're in. So anyway, I just wanted to show these to you. I have a little bit of an update video on these once I use them a little. You've seen me open them. I haven't really used them. Like I said, I did use that number 3 a while ago, but it was just to mount the camera. So it's nothing hard on it or anything. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. I hope you guys like it. I really like them. I would recommend them. But you know, I know it's kind of hard to buy something not knowing what they look like or what they feel like. You know, everything's a little different in person. But don't just take my opinion on it. Do your own judgment, or you know, make your own judgment on it. Come up with your own opinions. I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm just telling you in my opinion, they are worth buying. So you be your own judge of that. Let me go through one more time and show you. I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, I'm not trying to push anything on anybody. I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm just telling you, if you're interested in some nice screwdrivers, it's right up there with Snap-on, if not better. This, where is it at? Right there. That is a brand to go with. They are awesome. And, you know, they're lifetime warranty. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.